guys, welcome to another video. Right now I'm on the way to see the new SWAT now SWAT villain and the witch villain. Let's see. The SWAT villain and the witch villain comes with same 250cc engine borrowed from KTM. Both the bike look similar. The Spark villain comes with a single handlebar, whereas the witch villain comes with a clip-on handlebar, which make the bike look more into cafe race. Both the bike has got the LED headlamp and the tail lamp. The SWAT villain comes with the MRF Revs D tire, which can do better off-roading compared to the MRF Revs Z1 tire, which comes with the witch villain. When it comes to the safety, both the bike got dual channel ABS from Bosch, which gives better braking efficiency.